Good day, kids! It's English time! You know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. Of these, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The rest of them are known as consonants. So today, kids, let us learn the use of a and an. Use a before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound. For examples are a cat, a teacher, a pencil. Also, use a before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound even if the first letter is a vowel. For examples are a university, a European. Take note, kids, the words university and European begin with y sound. Also, use an before a singular noun that begins with a vowel sound or words with silent H. For examples are an elephant, an album, an hour. Take note, kids, we use a or an when talking about things in general. Always remember that when using a and an, consider the consonant sound and vowel sound, not spelling.